What's going on, guys? It's 5:45, work day's over with. Hope you're having an awesome week. It's Wednesday, it's hump day, middle of the week, halfway to the weekend, however you want to look at it. We're almost there, so hang in, the weekend's around the corner. Just a reminder video of the reveal coming up this weekend on the surprise. I was thinking about it. If you guys want to see a little sneak peek of what the reveal is going to be, or surprise is going to be, let me know. I'll do a quick little video and or picture or something on YouTube tomorrow, so you guys can check it out and let me know if you know what it is. But if you don't want to know, if you want to wait till the weekend to see what it is, that's fine. Let me know. I can wait. That's fine. But really excited, guys. So I got some things that I have to do in preparation for the reveal, but it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. So it's a long way to go with this. This is like by no means like, you know, something that's like ready to go. So this is going to take some time to get it how I want it and get it like how I want it, build it how I want it. So I don't want to drop too much more information, but let me know if you guys want to see that sneak peek. If not, we'll just roll with the reminder video tomorrow, and we'll do the reveal Friday night. I gotta go to Cleveland pretty soon, so I'll do the reveal before I head out for that. But so yeah, guys, hope you're having a great day and a great week. Like I said in the last video, it's going to be a lot of events going on. If you guys know of some awesome shows, not just lowrider shows, but diesel stuff, sports cars, racing, whatever, let me know. Definitely interested in going. The Jeep's going to have to get some stuff done. Probably won't be ready till end of the year, but Jeep's getting forced induction. Mustang's getting that Coyote swap, and I picked up a LS engine recently, and also a small block crate engine. Tossing around a couple ideas of where those engines can go, and we'll see soon. But stay tuned. I'm gonna wrap this video up and save the update or reveal coming up for Friday. So reminder video coming out tomorrow, reveal Friday. Hope you guys are having a great week. Let me know what you guys think on the reveal when you see it. I'm tossing around a couple ideas of what direction to go with a few areas, but let me know what you're thinking. It's going to be a massive project, and I'm not going to cut any corners on this. I'm not going to half-ass anything. This is going to be done right from top to bottom and from front to back. So this is going to be big. This is going to be big. So all right, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for subscribing. Please remember to comment, like, share. Got to grow this channel. It really helps me hone in on what you guys want to see, and also be able to provide more stuff and more content and footage and everything for you guys. So stay tuned. Again, I'm on Instagram. It's rah_free, RAH_free, and got some update pictures on there, but YouTube's pretty much where the bulk of all the information is going to be. So all right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Reveal this weekend. Stay tuned. You won't be disappointed. You won't be. I promise you won't be. All right, guys, have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.